What it is, y'all. What it is, your boy Lando. I am the man, though. So, a couple months ago, I put out a survey on Instagram asking who would be willing to watch, follow me, start my next business venture, right? But guess what, guys? This is it. This is a video. You guys gonna follow me, watch me win, watch me have down moments. Yeah, you rebuke that right there, man. I know better than that. Power's in the tongue. There ain't no down moments. It will not be no down moments. All ups. You overstand. Back to what I was talking about. Right. So I just gave my boss my 2 week. Well, it's really a month. I gave her a month. I'm firing my boss, guys. I'm firing my boss. What you gonna do, Lando? Well, the next video gonna pretty much let you know what I'm about to do. But this is the video, man. Y'all follow me. Y'all follow me on that YouTube channel, man. Y'all follow my journey, man. Like, it's gonna be a beautiful journey, man. I mean, don't see me. I'm in the hotel right now, so my job consists of me being out of town a lot. You know what I'm saying? But the next journey might consist of me being out of town a lot too. See, a lot of people didn't even know I had a job. It's cause to me that job was just a temporary job. You know what I mean? I let my boss know what was going on. She definitely tried to try to convince me to stay, but once I told her I'm working for myself, it's almost like she shut down. Like, yeah, she know ain't no way he's gonna change his mind now. So she wished me well, and she also said there's room for you if you ever decide to come back. I don't want you to fail, but if you ever decide to come back, there's room for you. I must say, I spent 5 years with that company. That was my temp job, guys. 5 years with that company, and I have no bad to say about them. With that job, I've accomplished a lot because of that job. A lot. That job definitely set me up for and put me in a position that I am in right now. It was the foundation. All right, it set me up. I accomplished a lot with that job, so nothing against jobs, guys. Even when I had a job, I had a million hustles, right? That pretty much can surpass this job, but I kept that job for stability. You know, we all have that same mindset, for most of us. Hey, I want to make sure I have that 401k, that benefits and all that. But guess what? You can do that work for yourself. You know what I'm saying? So that was one of those fears that I battled with. But now it's official, guys. I've decided to fire my boss. It's official. So y'all rock with me. Y'all follow me. The next video gonna pretty much talk. We gonna show you where I'm going with it, man. So y'all stick with me, man. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel now, cause y'all gonna see it all. The ups and the downs. Y'all gonna see from the front to the back. All the struggles and all the ups, all of it. Know what I mean? I'm saying, but check this out. What's up, y'all? I don't know where I'm gonna put this this video or whatever. But by now, I'm sure I've been probably introduce myself. It's just part of my recording process, right? So, I'm gonna research some stuff about box truck, man. Like, I've been doing my research over the months. I had a box truck situation today, actually. All right. Went to look at a box truck Saturday. Pretty good. I like everything about it, but I feel like sales guy trying to play me. Might not. But you know, it's all a game when it comes to buying anything, anyways. So he said, send him all my information or whatever. Call back today, said I'm gonna need at least 10 to 15,000. Now me, right? This is how I work. If I cannot pay anything, I'm gonna try my best. So, you know, play the game. I said, dang, 10 to 15. I said, man, I don't have that. So So what's the most you can put? I said 25. All right. He said, well, we might have to get a cheaper truck. I'm just playing the game. Just playing the game right now. I want the truck. I don't want to put a 10 to 15. If I have to, I might. I don't think I am, though. I always get what I want. But I also have a vehicle that I have on Turo. Hey, man, sometimes you got to just risk it all. It got to be worth it, though. It got to be worth it. You got to risk it all sometimes. So I'm not going to risk it all. But I'm putting on one of my Turo car. Let me see what he say tomorrow. So probably when this video plays, I have like another video after this saying like, yeah, I got it, whatever. You know, but I'm start trading that Turo car. It's a Jeep 2017 Jeep Cherokee. See what he say. Cause I gotta get rid. I don't have to, but I'm gonna get rid of it anyways. Cause if I'm gonna be on the road, I'm driving for myself for sure. If I'm gonna be on the road, I don't know if anybody gonna be able to control it. Cause my wife is pretty busy, and she don't like it anyways. She don't like it. So that's where I'm at with that. So I don't know where this video gonna drop. But by the time it drop, I'm sure I'll be done already bought a truck, whatsoever. But I'll let you know. Update. Right, probably the next video after this. Whatever that is. But tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna try to trade in my Jeep. Alright? Well, this is what I'm about to do now. I'm about to do some research, look up some other trucks just to see what's out there. I mean, you gotta do your research, guys. Some of you guys jump into business and not do research. That's how you fail. Now, I've been doing research for a couple months now, man. And I've been in the game already. I'm in the game just working for a company. So a lot of stuff I hear a lot of the YouTubers saying like what the challenges was for them. It's not gonna be a challenge for me because I already know that information. Not saying I'm not gonna have any challenge, but yeah. Next video. It's harder than I thought. A little frustrated look for the truck, but hey, I will prevail. Okay, we got a 2017 Freightliner. Nice little back. I see you. Hold up. No lift gate. It didn't look like it have a lift gate. I might be wrong. Okay, nice tires. Gas tank. Oh, those are okay. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Okay, certified clean item. Yep, whatever that means. Okay, inside look all right. I like it. But if you don't have a lift gate, I can't get you. So I don't know if you have a lift gate. I gotta go back and look. Okay, the inside is nice though. I like how they set up the inside for sure. Clean. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Cummins engine. Yes, sir. Okay, I like that. Let's see what kind of transmission do we have. Do we have Allison? Let me go. Where's that? I don't know. There you go. Yep. Got Allison. That's decent right there. But I don't know if you have a lift gate. If you have a lift gate, I'm definitely going to reach out to these people and see if they still have it. Because a lot of these people don't have it. So, did a little research. Seen a few things. That I like. But, you know, of course, there's a high demand for box shorts right now. So, you know, they hitting across the head right now. Box shorts, $80,000 that back a couple months ago. It's going for like 40. But seen a few things. I actually seen one that I like. So let me see what's if they're available. A lot of what I've been running to lately is I send out some information, I'll call out there, they be like, oh yeah, we don't have that no more. Like, bro, why you got it on your website? So I've been running to that a lot. So I got faith in God though, you know, so I'm favored. So, you know, only good things gonna come my way. The right one will come. When God says yours is yours and this is mine, one of these will be mine. Yovastan. Yeah. But productive night. It was a productive night. And y'all have a good one.
Righteous. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want.
With them that fight with me.